Hey there, today I have this handheld fan that was sent over from the team at AGEYOU. Now, this handheld fan has some really nice features on it, so let's go over them and I'll show you how it works. So the fan itself is not very big. It's about the size of my hand, which is nice. It has this area here for gripping it, and that's where all the controls are. So when you turn the fan on, it first goes to power 1. And on the fan, you can see there's a lock button, there's a plus or minus button for the speed of the fan, and there's also that battery life LED showing here at the top. Once it's turned on, the fan starts at speed 1, but you can adjust it all the way up to speed 100, single digit at a time, or back down again, whatever speed you want. So I really like that amount of control that you have over the speed of the fan. Once you're at the speed you want, if you want to leave it and not bump it up or down any, it has a lock button where if you tap the button twice, it will lock it. And then if you tap it again twice, it'll unlock it so you can adjust the speed again. If you turn the fan off, it will also cancel that lock feature. So when you turn the fan back on, it'll come back on at speed 1. Now, if you don't want to hold onto your fan, there are two options for that. You have a wrist strap that can be attached to the fan, or you can attach this other strap, which goes to both sides of the fan so you can wear it around your neck. And for attaching either of those straps, it would just get looped through on either side of the fan head shown here. If you're sitting at a desk or maybe at a table and you want to blow the air up onto you, that's also available because the fan folds so you can adjust the air that way. As you can see here, my dog doesn't quite know what to think, but I do think he's enjoying the fan, and as you can see, he's not right up on top of it and still getting plenty of airflow. On a full charge, the fan will last anywhere between 3 and 15 hours depending on what speed the fan is running at. After that, it'll take 2.5 to 3 hours to charge, but they do provide a charging cord for it that's just over 1.5 feet long. While it comes with this charging cord, there is no charger adapter for that, so that will need to be provided. I really think this provides some good airflow. I like that it's so personalized where I can go as fast or as slow as I want. It has the ability to be worn on the wrist or around the neck, making it even more customizable. If you are looking for a handheld fan to keep at your desk, on the table, or out and about that's going to help put some air circulation around you, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.